Welcome to Ezy Wrap's application video for the Universal Hip Compression Therapy System, Model 7550. Today, we'll explore the system's features, benefits, and application. Our Universal Hip Therapy System incorporates our patented First Ice and First Gel Direct Stick technology, designed to relieve pain and promote rehabilitation after trauma, injury, or post-operative procedures. Direct Stick allows you to conveniently apply long-lasting hot or cold therapy packs directly to the wrap, providing targeted relief for your hip. The wrap's single-piece construction makes application easy with a waistband and thigh strap for added compression and comfort. The straps can be trimmed to your preferred length, ensuring a tailored and comfortable fit. With universal sizing and dexterity, the system conveniently fits both the left and right hip, optimizing inventory. Our system is made from a non-neoprene hypoallergenic material with soft edges, eliminating the risk of allergic reactions. Now, let's shift our focus to the wrap's easy application. Our system includes a convenient tote bag, wrap, instructions for use booklet, and direct stick hot or cold therapy packs, with an optional direct freeze package for improved freezing and storage. Applying the Universal Hip Therapy System is quick and straightforward. Here's how. Step 1. Open your wrap and lay it flat, with the hooks facing up and the brand label facing down. Applying the hooks to the straps helps minimize the straps sticking to one another. Our wraps come set up for the right hip and can easily be switched for the left. To configure for a left hip, flip the wrap over and reverse the butterfly hooks on both straps. This video will demonstrate how to change one of the two butterfly hooks. Now we will reconfigure for the right hip. The following steps are the same for the left and right hip. Step 2. Lay your wrap out flat and prepare your packs. Gently massage the ice packs to make them more malleable and easier to shape. Place the direct stick packs on the desired wrap area, ensuring the black barrier faces the skin. Once the direct stick packs have been placed on the wrap, center the wrap on the affected hip. Take a moment to determine if the straps need to be shortened. If so, both straps can be trimmed for a custom, tailored fit. Simply take off the butterfly hook from the strap you want to trim and cut the strap to an appropriate length. Then, reattach the butterfly hook and apply the wrap as follows. Step 3. Position the wrap centered on the affected hip with the wider strap on the top. Step 4. Wrap the wider strap around your waist to your desired compression level and secure back to the wrap. Step 5. Wrap the narrower strap around your thigh to your desired compression level and secure to the wrap. Finally, Step 6. Readjust the straps as needed for a comfortable fit. Rest with your injury iced and compressed for the next several hours while the Universal Hip Therapy System relieves pain and promotes rehabilitation. Thank you for watching the Ezy Wrap Universal Hip Compression Therapy System application video. For more information and support, please refer to the instructions for use or visit our website at ezywrap.com. We wish you an easy recovery and renewed mobility with the Universal Hip Therapy System.